Assalamualaikum, hi and good morning.
My name is Siti Dara binti Ayub. My number matric 288023 and you?
My name is Nur Najwa binti Ahmad Tarmizi. My matric number 287825.
Okay, so today
We are going to find
the best food
in Kedah.
Welcome to Makan Tang Mana.
Negeri Kedah, kemegahanku, hijau kuning, lambang negeriku.
Okay, now we are arrived at a store located in Changloon, Kedah. This food store is located behind Assigment Changloon and in front of Chin Hin Jitra CHC motorcycle shop. The name of this store is Saleh. Let's see what food is interesting here. This is a list of food prices are here and all the prices are cheap and affordable. Very affordable. The first meal that I choose to try at this Saleh store is laksa. I really like laksa. Laksa has been my favorite food since I was little until I was an adult. So I can know which laksa is tasty and which is not tasty. With a reasonable price of only Rm5 ringgit a bowl. Large quantities, a thick and viscous gravy filled with fish fillet. Laksa gravy is made from fish, so when the fish fillet is a lot, then it will make the gravy taste good. In addition, laksa is served with vegetables such as cucumber, onion and chili, making the laksa even tastier. And most importantly, a boiled egg completes the laksa dish. Laksa, gravy, vegetable and boiled egg are a very perfect combination. So for this laksa, I give 5 stars because of the thick gravy and make me want to come again to this store to buy laksa. Anyone who goes laksa like me, one bowl is not enough because it is too tasty.
The second dish is I'm choose bihun soup special. What can we see first thing here is they put the rice noodle into the bowl and they add a lot of pieces of meat. What I'm surprised here is the food is quite enough for 2 or 3 person per bowl. They also put some ingredients like carrot, crunchy fried onions for flavor, and also some celery leaves, and the main things to complete our bihun soup special is their soup. What I love to say is I just spent 7 ringgit for bihun soup special and the price is quite cheap for me. I choose bihun soup special as my first dish. As we know, bihun soup is one of the favorite noodle soup in Malaysia. Bihun soup served with rice noodle and some herbs and piece of meat. Usually, when I eat bihun soup, soy sauce or sambal will be provided as a side dish. Inside the sauce is some pepper, chopped garlic and soy sauce. But this place serve their own special sauce. Now I want to share with you how to make bihun soup more delicious. One is you must eat the food while it is still hot. Second is put sauce or sambal into your soup, and it will make your bihun soup flavorful and a little bit spicy. Do you know when bihun soup serve? Bihun soup served also during Eid Fitri or wedding ceremony. This is because the dish is quite easy to make and the popular dish among all generations. Do you know when bihun soup serve? Bihun soup served also during Eid Fitri or wedding ceremony. This is because the dish is quite easy to make and the popular dish among all generations.
We were very satisfied with the dish provided. Laksa and bihun soup special that is very tasty and will not be found anywhere else. We will come back to this stall Isaleh to try all the dish on sale. Various other dishes are sold such as chicken rice at 6 ringgit only, and meat rice priced at 7 ringgit only. Very reasonably priced. So anyone who wants to try the best laksa and bihun soup in Changloon, you can go to the Isaleh store located behind Changloon and in front of Chin Chitra motorcycle shop. This store is not far from our place of study. This takes 60 minutes, which is 40 km from our place in Nasis Meraya, University Utara Malaysia. The second store located in Simat Changloon, its outlet is close to the Simat Extremes. I saw this sweet brother selling all kinds of bread, so we stopped to buy because the bread so look delicious. The name of the store is Ikwan Products. We managed to ask the brother about bread, and the bread was made by a bakery. And these are all food sold. There are breads, donut, cake, cream puff and more. All prices are very reasonable. Cream puff equine 5 pieces only 2 ringgit. 2 ringgit for 5 pieces. And bunches equine 1 pieces 1 ringgit. And various type of donuts starting at 1 ringgit, 2 ringgit and 2 ringgit 50 cent. And also various type of bread.
Our next pastry, we choose cream puff. Cream puff, also known as profiterole or chocs à la crème, originated in France, but they have been known in the United States since the middle 1800. And 1850, news story in the Brooklyn Evening Star mentioned that some hundreds of cream puff cakes were sold each day in Brooklyn bakeries at the time. The cream puff texture is a sweet pastry made with short pastry dough that is baked to form small dome-shaped puff, and the outer crust is golden tan and somewhat brittle after being baked, while the inner crumb is dense and fluffy.
Now look at this. The content of the cream puff are very full and dense, very tasty and liquid in the mouth. The texture of cream puff is so fluffy and melt in mouth. The cream puff 5 pieces only 2 ringgit, very cheap and affordable. So I bought many pieces, 15 pieces only 6 ringgit. So very affordable price. I like it. I give 5 stars for cream puff Ikwan products, because I very love it.
For the next pastry, I'm choosing sausage bun cheese at 2 ringgit 50 cent. What is inside the bun is, of course, sausage, and they put grated cheese and a little bit of black pepper sauce and some herbs on it. I love to eat this bun because this is not heavy pastry to me. If somebody can't through with the pastry like donut, cake or pie, you can try this sausage bun cheese. As we know, a good time for enjoy eating pastry or sweet is on tea time. And for me, you also can eat this sausage bun even on supper, because this food is light and delicious to eat. And last, we are choosing bun cheese, and just only 1 ringgit.
Okay, now I want to try the cheese bun bread that I just bought at Ikwan products. Let's try. Bun cheese only 1 ringgit. Very surprising because too cheap. Where to find bread with cheese but only 1 ringgit? Because the price of cheese is very expensive, but this stall can sell bread with cheese for only 1 ringgit. Very tasty, very soft bread, is very worth it if you buy. You are must try. So for this cheese bun, I give 5 stars because it's cheap, soft and so delicious. Let's support a local product, Ikwan products. The next stall, Mighty, located in Simat, Changloon. This is how to prepare the water we order at this stall. This is how to make strawberry smoothies. First, put jam strawberry. Next, strawberry syrup. And also put ice to blend. The staff at Mighty store is very customer friendly, kind, and most importantly, beautiful. Next, blend all materials together. Add some rainbow jelly topping and some milk. Mighty has a very clean and beautiful kitchen, so do not hesitate to buy it, as it can make the way of manufacturing itself very meticulous and hygienic. This is a menu of drink for sale, Mighty. the smoothie drink already done.
There are a lot of menu and flavor to choose. The range price for their drink is started with 8 ringgit until 30 ringgit.
I choose strawberry smoothie because my favorite fruit is a strawberry. So I choose to buy a strawberry water smoothie. The way to drink it is we need to stir until we blend with the given straw or shake before drinking so that the drink blends in with all the flavors. As you know, the ingredients used to make this strawberry smoothie are ice, strawberry syrup and milk, and rainbow jelly topping. This is a very interesting and palatable combination acceptable to the throat.
For me, I choose fresh mango smoothie. I love passion fruit so much, and mango fruit is my favorite one. I enjoy drinking this smoothie, and it is feel heavenly drink this on summer. And for me, it is worth it to buy at the good time. And the next place is we are going to Mary Brown. That is fast food outlet, and the outlet is not too far. The place just near Changloon Mart. We are just take 5 minutes for walking.
At Mary Brown, I choose Bubur Ayam Mary Brown. The price of Bubur Ayam for single no drink RM 7 ringgit 20 cent, and with combo with water RM 9 ringgit 18 cent. So this time I choose Bubur Ayam Mary Brown single without drink. Bubur Ayam Mary Brown original homely tasting smooth chicken porridge with freshly chopped spring onion and sprinkle of crispy porridge garnish. Moreover, the porridge will be delicious when white pepper is added in it. Usually I will put 3 sachet white pepper in it to add flavor to more tastier.
Mary Brown porridge is the tastier porridge compared to other style porridge.
So I give 5 star for chicken porridge Mary Brown.
Let me open the red pepper first. What can we see here is I'm choosing a fish burger. I get a single fish burger and just only 9 ringgit 50 cent. As we can see here is the fluffy of bun. What's your expectation for this burger? For the first time I eat this burger, the taste is crispy and they come with tartar sauce and it's delicious.
Next, in Mary Brown, I want to try ball balloon loaded potato ball, only 5 ringgit a ball. This ball is very worthwhile because it is a very good combination because it contains potatoes, chicken pieces along with a delicious sauce of mayonnaise and premium cheese. With just one ball, this can keep customers full because it is very worth it with a price of only 5 ringgit per ball, and many other type of ball are worth it in Mary Brown, such as spicy porridge, cheesy chicken mash ball and seafood ball.
What you can see here, I choose seafood ball that spend only 5 ringgit. Who love seafood food, I suggest you to try this seafood ball because it's so tasty and delicious. What you can get inside seafood ball is fish fillet, nugget and fries, and they also put some onion sauce, and that sauce make the taste more delicious. The total money we are spent at Mary Brown is 20 ringgit 70 cent. After finish our food, we are just walking around and found convenience store at 7-Eleven. What we are gonna do is we want to buy some smoothie, and it is Trabiato's favorite one. To get this smoothie, you have to make your own because it is self-service. First, you need to get a cup and fill the smoothie in the smoothie machine. You can choose the flavor you want. Here there are two flavors available, and it is grape and fruity flavor, and Trabiato mix both flavor together. Price of a cup of smoothie is only 2 ringgit 50 cent. Thank you for enjoying our video. I hope all of you having a good time. See you later. Bye bye.